A machine fires a bullet with a mass of 40 grams at a second of 120, not 120, sorry, 1200 meter per second. The person holding the gun can exert a maximum force of 144 newtons on it. What is the number of bullet that can be fired from the gun per second? So the point here is that we have a gun that is, say, held by a person, and the person is able to bear a force of 140, because for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. This is something that you will see in the next set of videos. Of course, you guys know this. That's our third law. So the person is able to handle till this force, this amount of force per second. So within 1 second, how many guns can he fire is the question. How should we design so that how many guns can be fired is the question. So we have 0.04 kg of bullet, and this is your initial velocity. After some time, when you fire it, you have it to move at 1200 meter per second. Then what else? That's it. Then we have the working. Okay. First thing first, we'll figure out the impulse per bullet. That is delta P of the bullet, right? Change in momentum of each bullet, which is given by mass of the bullet times of change in velocity of the bullet. So we have this to be 0.04 times of 1200 minus 0. Again, all of this steps not to this extent is needed, but we'll go with it. So this is okay, 0.04 into 1200 kg meter per second. I think this is a bit too much. Anyways, as the person can handle 144 Newton, right? This is per second. Then force, which is equal to the total moment, total impulse that the person can handle per second, right? So this is per second. Will be equal to, in this case, it's per second. Okay. So 144 is equal to, now I can write the number of bullet into the impulse by each bullet, per bullet. How did I represent that as? Yeah, per bullet divided by 1. This is 144 is equal to n times of 0.04 into 1200. And so n is equal to, yeah, there's a bit of calculation. 144 divided by 1200. 3 bullets. Okay, guys. So here the funda is that per second, how much of force, how many bullets can the person handle is the funda. So here the main thing is delta T is not very clear. So you need to understand that what is the number of bullets that the person can fire per second. That was the question. So this is the number of total impulse by all the bullets. All bullets, sorry, fired. And this is delta T per second.